Now, national news. How are you feeling today, the day after Diwali? The air quality has severely deteriorated in cities across the country today. Delhi, the capital, has recorded 9 times higher pollution levels than normal. And remember that at normal levels, WHO in May had said that Delhi was the most polluted city in the world, worse than Beijing.
As Diwali firecrackers erupted across the city, Kalam Singh found himself increasingly unable to breathe. A day after Diwali, it is obvious why so many people are complaining of burning eyes, running noses and skin allergy and skin rashes. Delhi's air pollution has gone up an alarming 9 times its usual limit, which is already in the high-risk category. It's not just the national capital. Kolkata's recorded air pollution was 4 times the normal, even Chennai's 2 to 3 times higher than what is normal for that city. Experts say while these figures represent the 24-hour average all over the cities, the actual situation during the peak Diwali hours was even worse, with a huge spike in air pollution levels in residential areas and the air quality dropping to hazardous levels.
See, the official evidence is very clear. From the website of Delhi Pollution Control Committee, you can make out very clearly that how crackers affect pollution. Morning levels low, but evening onwards, the build-up has been so rapid in a residential colony of R.K.Puram.
There's definitely an increase in the number of patients that we are seeing in the emergency, in the admissions that we get because of asthma and COPD exacerbations post-Diwali.
Worryingly, India's air pollution standards are also far lower than international norms. The Pollution Control Board's permissible limit for particulate matter less than 2.5 microns is 4 times the limit of the WHO. And while India had dismissed the WHO or World Health Organization study last May, which found that New Delhi had the world's worst air pollution, the government did issue a warning before Diwali, which said air quality would deteriorate to severe levels this week. The Health Minister, Dr. Harshvardhan, appealed for a noise-free Diwali, even asking Delhi's Lieutenant Governor Najib Jung to enforce a 2005 Supreme Court ruling that banned firecrackers in residential areas. Despite warnings from the government and noise and smoke-free campaigns by the police, schools and citizen groups, pollution levels have not come down significantly this year either. There is no significant change in the levels of sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide, though they have not worsened. So what's the answer? With appeals and campaigns failing to make a dent, is a legislation banning or limiting the sale of firecrackers the only way to ensure a truly Swachh Bharat? With Isha Bhalla in New Delhi, Anusya Mathur for NDTV.